सोमारा नॅशनला हांगसर बार्देस एफसीच्या जर्सींचें लोकार्पण जालें. ह्या वेळार दिवचलेचे आमदार राजेश पाटणेकर, थळावो आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो, बार्देस एफसी क्लबाचे एमडी सावियो रॉय, फ्रँकी कार्वालो, सागर मालवणकर, बस्तोरा सरपंच सावियो मार्टिन्स, पीएसआय विश्वजीत चोडणकर आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर नॅशनलच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I still play for veterans. I'm not as fit as you are. After when I was your age, I was very much fit because I was a professional player in football. I played football, called for the Indian universities, called for the India camp, Milind Patiala, so with hockey. I was a goalkeeper, played for Goa, played for India, called for India, but I was fed up of the camp. I'm into martial arts, I'm a black belt. I'm into played cricket, I was a good cricket player, but I was too much in love with football. Now I'm telling you all this. Sports is something should be in the blood, and today all of you are here because you've been picked by our MD Savio and our director Sagar because you are good footballers. Doesn't matter from where you come, but today you all are going to play for Bardes FC, Bardes Football Club, and Bardes is one part of Goa. Bardes Salse is one of the talukas, and today football runs in the blood of Goans, they say. So it runs also in yours. You know, we have blood. They say Goan and Brazil to almost compare to each other.
As you know, we are all Indians. There are two things which keeps you united. Because India is a very big country, so many states. Everybody has got different culture. Every state has got different regional languages. But still we are united. We do two things. One is culture and the other thing is the sports. So sports plays a very important role in this country because you know the northeast players are there. By kilometers they are 1,000 miles away from Goa. So due to sports they are in both. So it develops new relation with the other states. So Bardes FC is an upcoming team in the state.
I say this because Bardes FC has grown from a club that would support players from Goa. We had foreign players in the first year, but this year we focused on Indian players. You want to know why? Because we do aim to go to the I-League. I was speaking to Sir Rajesh, we need the government support to go to the I-League, and for that, a player who represents every state, we have players from Tamil Nadu, we have players from West Bengal, we have players from Northeast, we have players from Delhi or Punjab. You can see the man with the turban, we say Singh is king, but he's there with us. So we have representation from India, and this is the biggest achievement the club has done this year. Please put your hands together.